What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can convert your Revolut RevPoints to cash. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your home screen right here. So from your home screen, just go ahead and click the RevPoints tab in the bottom right corner. Now on the RevPoints tab, you will be able to see how much RevPoints you have accumulated so far. So I have about 500. But now when you're here, just scroll down a bit until you can see the full products menu right here. So depending on your country, if you're in the eligible country, you would be able to see a gift cards option under the products menu right here. So this would allow you to exchange your RevPoints for gift cards, and then you can convert that gift card balance to cash. So there are a lot of different gift cards available, and some of them allow you to exchange the balance from the gift card to cash. So you just purchase a gift card using your Revolut points, and then you can exchange the balance from that gift card to cash. So at the moment, that's the best way that you can use to exchange your Rev points for cash on the Revolut app. If you would like to know how you can order your Revolut physical card, you can watch this video right here. Thank you guys for watching and take care.